Kind of a satisfying sound, actually. This should work better. Oh yeah, that's sharp. I can't believe it's been 13 years since I was introduced to Work Sharp. I was fortunate to be featured in their first infomercial back in 2010, and we've been partners ever since. One of the things we wanted to do is we wanted to, the bucks that we shot, we wanted to get the capes so we could mount them, and took the Work Sharp along with me. My business and my preparedness as a hunter and fisherman have improved so much since I've worked with them. Kind of sticks on your thumbnail, then you know you've got a sharp knife. And not to mention the friendships that I've made.
Oh, deep! Look at that one.
That was amazing. Yeah, I walked over and saw, just barely saw the bear.
Turkeys, bears, it's happening. The quality of their products speaks for themselves, but for me, it's the people at Work Sharp that are amazing.
So I've been here at Work Sharp, it's about 2 years.
Whether someone has been there a year or many years, they love the work environment.
It was great to come in and have that welcoming experience and have the help that I needed from the leads, the trainers that have been here a while.
Actually, the first time I ever worked here was in 2008. So I worked here during the summer, my high school summer break, and I did a bunch of rework, and it was tedious and dirty, and there was a lot to do all the time, but it definitely was so enjoyable that I decided to come back.
I moved out to Oregon in 2016, and I shortly got a job at Work Sharp. And I started in production. I was only in production for like a week. And then I did like an intern in shipping, just helping out kind of just labor-wise.
They have instilled family value into their culture. It's a 50-year, fourth-generation, locally owned company who has been recognized 9 years in a row as one of the top workplaces in Oregon.
Our leadership live by and work by the core values, and the culture is very important to them. For my team, it would be the honesty, the teamwork aspect of it, the respect that we have to one another.
When I got here and I saw the culture and how we're like kind of like a family, and it's more than just come in and punch the time card and do your work and get out, and it's like people are actually like engaged in who you are as a person. For me, that was important because it's like, I mean, you want to work with your friends if you could, and also be in a professional like environment.
It's amazing to me how innovative their engineers are, how well their products are made, and how everyone takes pride in their accomplishments.
Doing these new lines is, I mean, everybody's fascinated by them. Everybody wants to jump and just get on the new lines for the new products, and everybody wants to learn something new because there's always new and exciting products coming out at Work Sharp.
Working here has made me sharpening fanatic, we could say. I've gotten to know our tools, and then just being in the front end of putting them together and seeing how much efforts for quality we push for just gives me that satisfaction that the customer is going to get a well-built product.
Next time you're at a sportsman show, look them up, hang out at their booth for a while. You're going to find that they're passionate about their products and their outdoor lifestyle, just like many of us are.
So yeah, it's just like a big family. Yeah, I love it here. It's nice.
The Work Sharp story will continue on for years, and I'm proud to be part of the Work Sharp legacy.